Good day, everyone. In this video, I will be discussing about personalized learning, but I will focus more on its use and application in an online learning environment. Personalized learning or personalization refers to a diverse variety of educational programs, learning experiences, instructional approaches, and academic support strategies that are intended to address the distinct learning needs, interests, aspirations, or cultural backgrounds of individual students. Personalized learning is generally seen as an alternative to so-called one-size-fits-all approaches to schooling in which teachers may, for example, provide all students in given course with the same type of instruction, the same type of assessment and assignment with little variation or modification from student to student. Study shows that personalized learning may also be called student-centered learning. And since the general goal is to make learning or individual learning needs the primary consideration in important educational and instructional decisions. Personalized learning is intended to facilitate the academic success of each student by first determining the learning needs, the interests, and aspirations of individual students, with the main objective of providing learning experiences that are customized, customized to a greater or lesser extent for each student. There are three major practices in personalized learning, and these are in relation to tutoring, contact time, and content. In terms of content, features such as moving content broadcast out of classroom allow students to control pacing. In relation to contact time, especially assessment and its progress, like making our homework time contact time, it also helps teachers observe student work, and it improves opportunity to coach and facilitate learning. In terms of tutoring, it's offload tutoring for subject or subset of topics, interactive feedback to students, and it ensures visibility of progress to teacher. What are the different key characteristics of personalized learning? It is flexible, a pace that suits students' abilities rather than strict timelines. It has varied learning strategies like multiple learning modalities and ways to access content. Just-in-time direct instruction like availability of instruction to students regardless of the availability of an in-person teacher. Co-planning learning. Students, parents, the community, and all learning stakeholders are involved in the process of planning learning activities. Mastery-based assessment. Students drive the curriculum rather than any other way around. Choice and voice. Students can get to express their learning styles and preference. And last but not the least, it demonstrates learning where students can demonstrate competence using both traditional and technology tools. There are four basic elements in personalized learning, and these are content knowledge, cognitive skills, habits of success, and expeditions. But the question is, how can technology support personalized learning? How an online learning environment augments personalized learning? How can technology support personalized learning? How an online learning environment augments personalized learning? Study shows that online learning or online education in general fosters personalized learning for students. It allows creativity, it promotes creative thinking, and critical thinking, and it deepens knowledge among students. Using educational technology enables personalized learning. It supports instruction. Technologies can offer automated and adaptive learning opportunities. It supports resource curation and management. It supports students' data analysis, and it enables personalized learning. Among the many popular examples of personalizing learning in an online environment includes creating an access point for students or learners to connect with the teacher, their peers, and the content. Using interactive content like videos, multimedia, YouTube, and even PowerPoint. Introducing individual learning opportunities through the use of or incorporating learning paths and activities that responds to the needs of students. And monitoring attendance using or through user creativity, progress through user analytics offered by your learning management system. And there are many game apps, some websites, and applications that can use for personalized learning. You can go to this website and they have a list of best games, applications, both mobile and desktop applications, and even educational websites for personalized learning. We can create mind mapping, blogs for creative writing and thinking, and some student created presentations using hyperlinks in our PowerPoint. We can use email, targeted email, personalized email in every group and every time or in according to our school calendar. We can create personalized video like in YouTube. We can personalize them according to their learning needs. We can use Microsoft PowerPoint, Apple Keynote, Google Slides, the use of hyperlinks, the use of conditions, which will allow and provide learning path among the desired outcomes of the students. At Silliman, we are subscribed at OpenLMS, and our learning management system has integrated a personalized learning designer. You can also go to the many learning management providers and some educational website and course content that will help you develop your online learning environment in a personalized learning strategy. Personalized learning is not new, but what is very important is the kind of strategies and activities that we incorporate to personalize the learning of our student must be responsive to the vision and the mission of the institution, and of course, for the achievement of the learning outcomes of the course. Personalized learning in academic teaching and learning is not new. It has changed along the way, especially in an online learning environment. There are many strategies, techniques, tricks to implement personalized learning in our virtual classroom. What is very important is we should know the vision, we should know the learning outcomes, and all the activities, all the personalization in the integration of our teaching and learning must be responsive to the learning outcomes that we wish to be achieved and to be learned by our students. Thank you, everyone.